A backpack made out of recycled plastic bottles? Let's have a closer look. Dave Taylor here, and you know, we go through a lot of product as a society, and so much of it ends up being brand new materials that have to be harvested, mined, produced, manufactured. It's expensive on the environment, which is why I'm always on the lookout for green and eco products. That's what this is. This is the Targus CYPRESS Slim 15.6-inch backpack. And what makes it really remarkable isn't that it's really slim, though it's really slim, it's that it's made out of recycled water bottles. The fabric is actually made out of, well, they say in their material that it's made out of 20 recycled water bottles, but as we go through, you'll see inside, it says they used actually a couple more than that. But let's see what's going on here. So we have side pockets, so easy to put a water bottle on one side and maybe even another one on the other. I'll just lay this down because it's gonna fall. And then there are lots and lots of pockets. Let's start with this pocket in the very front, what they call the quick access pocket. Me, I have a book. You can put whatever you want in there. And then another one opens up and there's all sorts of space in here. There's even space for paper padding and a zipped compartment. There's all sorts of stuff you can do here. Really nice. Now, the more fun is when you get to the bigger compartments. So let's open up this next one. And this is one of the big ones, right? So here, what I have is I have some paperwork I need to work on. And I have tucked in here my Kindle. So lots of space, right? And the Kindle space is padded and there's lots of space at the bottom there. And then on this side is a zippered compartment. So lots of storage, right? But we're not done because there's one more, and this is the one that actually has the laptop. So here I have a padded laptop holder, and this is my MacBook Pro 15-inch, and there's plenty of space around here for this particular unit. And then in front I have plenty of space to have my power cord and everything. So really tons and tons of space, really lots to like here. And I'll close it back up so my laptop doesn't plummet when I show you the rest of it. Carrying handle, there are padded shoulder straps, and this part's padded too for your back, which is good because your laptop's right there. And one of the other really nice things, and for those of you that travel or will be traveling again soon, is what they call the luggage pass-through strap. So what this does is when you have the little handle that raises up on your luggage, you can tuck it onto this, and now you have your backpack sitting there, not going anywhere as you walk through an airport or train station or whatever. So really, really nice. The backpack by itself with nothing in it is a mere 1.6 pounds, and it's 18 inches by 12 inches by 6 inches approximately. And you can have a laptop that they say can be up to 15.3 inches by 10.5 inches. Again, my 15-inch MacBook Pro is in here with plenty of space to spare. I would kind of like, if I can suggest their next generation, I like to have a strap that goes over the top to keep it secure in here, just in case I forget to close it and the backpack ends up upside down. That's a nice way to make sure it doesn't just slide out and get damaged. Maybe that's not something that you like, but for me, that little bit of extra insurance is always a good thing. And then I made a comment about how many bottles they used, right? So here it says they used 26 bottles, not 20 recycled bottles. So either way, 20 recycled water bottles, 26 recycled water bottles. Anything they do with recycled materials to make new products that are great is a win in my book. And this is definitely a win. You know, it's always the case that you need a new backpack because your backpacks get pretty beaten up. And with this having so many compartments, so many zippered closed compartments, easy access to this front pocket and everything, and to have it be so green and so eco, there's a lot of wins with this particular unit. I am definitely a fan of this one. And this is one that's gonna stay in the family, if you know what I mean. So, only thing left to talk about is the price, but before I get to the price, let me ask if you can subscribe to my channel. It's just that little red button. Click or tap on it and you're subscribed, and I say thank you. Great. Now, this is the Targus CYPRESS Slim 15.6-inch backpack. It comes in black or a very attractive navy blue, and it's $79.99 at Amazon.com. And I say it is definitely one to check out. I'm gonna put all my stuff back in. Let's see, shouldn't take me very long to do that. Zip up the compartments, and of course they both have dual zips. And put my book back. I'll get to it in a little bit. Obviously, you don't want to see me reading it. And finally, our water bottle. So everything's back together. I can pick it up by the top handle, and that means I'll catch you in my next video.